Hi guys, how are you doing today? I'm Ankush from Desi Otaku. Today we are going to talk about My Hero Academia, where Shigaraki started to wake up and the consequences Hero will have to endure after this. But before, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I am new on YouTube, so your support means a lot to me. All the reference for this video is from manga, so spoiler alert. In hospital near Exless, Shigaraki started to wake up in pain, and at the same time in the city little bit further from the hospital. Bernin, the sidekick from Endeavor's agency, was telling people to evacuate the city because there always a chance of fight break out in the city. Every hero trainees was working towards evacuating the city. Even class 1A was working. After helping some old people, they offered Bakugo soft chocolate as a gift, and he refused. Everyone was trying to convince him to take it. Tenya was also helping people to evacuate and even assuring them that everything's going to be okay. Anima was collecting intel with the help of birds, animals, and provided everyone for evacuation. Najire and one more hero who can fly was also helping for evacuation and navigation. Everyone was putting everything to what they are doing, but Midoriya was in shock. He was unable to do anything because he was hearing the voice of first user of One for All in his brain. He was continuously warning him that he is coming and Midoriya needs to stop him. Shoto asked him what's going on. Bakugo tells him to work without slacking off, but only he was known about voice and he was in panic. It was continuously giving him a feel of bad omen coming from hospital. It was telling that the overwhelming power breaks free from its human limits and it's coming. In hospital, Exless shock, he was seeing a man alive which he confirmed dead a while ago. It's cold, Shigaraki said. Heroes were fighting with Nomuz. Jet, Ryuko, Endeavor was in the lab fighting and supporting each other. When the hero voice crossed the inner area with Doctor, whole passageway started to crumble. Then whole floor started to crumble. Seeing that, Doctor got happy. Jet quickly get into action. He takes Vice and Doctor and starts flying in opposite direction. He saw objects crumbling. He understands that the quirk is from Shigaraki, but it's not stopping. It might be because of enchantment, which heroes don't know. After quick analysis of the situation, he tells everyone to evacuate and warns them to not touch any object which is crumbling. It will kill them. This time with Deku, everyone felt that something is happening in hospital, and it is really bad. In hospital, one full section crumbled of lab, and even Pro Heroes was doing his best to run from that section. Ryuko was carrying some people while flying. She also told Eraser to hop on. Eraser throws his carbon belt towards her and jump, but Nomu was holding his leg. Suddenly one shield comes and cut Nomu's hand. Then Eraser saw the person he knew, who he fought with. Crust was crumbling. This time his eyes was useless, because even knowing what's going on, who was doing this, he was unable to do anything. Jet, Ryuko, Endeavor, all of them flew while carrying people. Heroes was running. It was a total loss, Doctor said to them. Eventually, other floors started to crumble, and after that, whole hospital. Wash used bubbles to carry patients outside the hospital. Pixie Bob from Wild Wild Pussycats tried to stop the destruction from entering in the city using big wall of mud, but even that don't do anything. City started to decay. Building was falling. Roads was crumbling. While this was happening, Doctor starts talking. He said that heroes went through so much effort just for this day. But at that time, with miracle or by the sheer force of will plus Ultra Shigaraki came to life and rise. The world which heroes created till now will crumble in front of him just with a single touch. This is the victory, he yells with full power. Another hand, Deku used 45% of his full power and kicked the rubble using air force created by sheer power. Kachan was telling everyone to run. Burnin was trying to contact Endeavor, but failed. Suddenly Deku shouts and tells everyone to get away. Now, when Shigaraki finally wake up, eventually lots of heroes will lose their life. Already many heroes lost their life while running from the hospital and city. But still, we don't know the full extent of his power after enchantment, so it's going to be real bad. So that's all for today guys. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and please turn on the notification bell with selection of all. I'm new on YouTube, so your support means a lot to me. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.